Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create and remove user accounts on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, open the Start menu and go to Settings. And now in Settings, you're gonna have to select Accounts on the sidebar and then go to Other Users option. Click Add Account. And now you have two different options to choose from. Either you can enter the email address or the phone number linked to the Microsoft account of the second person, then provides the PIN code for them, and then their account will be created. It will be linked to the Microsoft account. But if you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Also select this option if you want to create a Microsoft account for them. But if you want to create an account locally, once again, click Add a user without a Microsoft account, then provide the username for this user, create a password for them if you want to, and if you create a password for them, you're gonna have to select 3 security questions, and provide answers to them just in case this person forgets or you forget the password to the other account. You're gonna be able to recover the access by answering one of these 3 questions. So answer these questions. Then click Next, and then the account will be created. If you want to switch to that account, you have to open the Start menu, then click on your account's logo, tap 3-dot icon in here, and then select your other user's account. And if you want to remove this account from your Windows, you have to expand this menu and then select Remove option. Before you can remove before you remove other account, you're gonna have to sign out of it on your PC, because if you're not signed out of it, you will simply not be able to remove an account. But once you sign out, click Delete Account and Data, and this way you will remove other users' account. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.